Hey guys, General Mechanic, welcome back to the channel. And today I got another customer complaining no air through the vents inside this 2007 Nissan Titan. So as normal, as common problem, these people never change the in-cabin air filters. And check this out. See what I find in this thing. You see that? When you think you're gonna have any air coming to the vents, check that out. I mean, check that out, guys. This thing is dead. See that? No air through the vents. Of course, there's nothing gonna come out through there. So remember this, guys. This is a maintenance item required to do if you want good flow through the vents on your AC system. Okay, again, customer states no airflow to the vents. Found the problem, let's get it fixed and get him back on the road happy and smiling. Thank you for watching.